all I ask is 7 minutes for 7 days of your precious time to finally start reducing that belly fat which has been hanging on your belly for a very long time. Finally, it's time to start getting rid of it. So today I bring to you the most easy, most effective, absolutely beginner-friendly belly fat workout. Out of the 1440 minutes in a day, all I ask is 7 minutes. And trust me, these 7 minutes are going to be absolutely rejuvenating and re-energizing to finally get that fat burning around your belly. You can easily do it anytime, anywhere, no equipment needed. It's completely beginner-friendly and it is so easy to do. You can either do it in the office, at home, even if you're in the park, in the morning or in the evening. Choose anytime, anywhere, and you're sure to see results. And not just any results, but the most amazing, most effective results. So what are we waiting for? Let's begin this super easy belly fat workout. It's time to get a slim belly finally. Now let's begin this workout with a very simple high knee exercise. Just very gently bring up your legs, try and touch your palms and keep your breathing absolutely normal. Try and keep your core tight and your posture absolutely straight. Now let's add a bit of a variation by doing alternate knee touches. And if you want, you can increase the speed. If not, please be careful to do it at your own free pace. Also, please do not bend forwards, and this will definitely affect your lower belly and your upper belly fat. Now the next exercise is a simple marching technique where you have to lift your legs as high as you can. Try and bring it up to your chest level if you can, and you can twist sideways just like I am, because this exercise is very effective to target your side belly fat. To the next exercise, which is a lovely twist and turn, and this is definitely going to affect your side belly fat and your lower belly fat all together. Now let's do it on the other side too. Just the same posture that you were doing earlier. I'm sure you can feel the burn already in your belly, and it's only 4.5 minutes in the exercise. Come on, you can pull it through till the entire 7 minutes. Don't give up just yet. Now let's get on with the next exercise to make sure it is targeting your lower belly, upper belly fat. It is a hand and leg coordinated movement, so please do it at your own pace. But don't forget to keep your posture straight and your core tight at all times. Now let's do the effective side twist to get the side belly fat targeted, because that is the fat which actually prevents us from wearing our tight fitted clothes and look slim and trim in our jeans. So come on, all of you, do this as it is. Keep your back straight and your core tight. Moving on to the next exercise is a very effective and easy marching on the spot. In fact, I suggest you do it many times a day because this one exercise is so easy to do anytime, anywhere. So if you have the time, be it morning, afternoon, evening, just give 7 minutes of your time and you can actually do it thrice a day for even more effective weight loss results. Now let's do the sideways bend by keeping your back absolutely straight and try and go as low as possible to feel that stretch around your side belly. And it's a very easy, simple and effective way of finally toning your belly fat. And try and keep your hand above your head and not in front of it. Do it as it is and I'm sure you'll see results. For the next exercise, I've got a very exciting compound movement which is actually going to help reduce your entire body fat and not just target your belly fat, but do it at your own pace and take it easy and try and follow as it is.